I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a paper boat. First, grab a rectangular piece of paper, perhaps 8.5 by 11 inches. Fold it in half lengthwise, then open it up to reveal a clear center crease. Next, take the top two corners and carefully fold them down so their edges perfectly align with that center crease, creating a neat triangular top section. This forms the initial structure for our sturdy little vessel. Now, let's form the boat's base. Take the bottom flap of paper and fold it upwards, covering the bottom edge of your newly formed triangle. Flip your paper over and repeat this exact step on the other side. Make sure to tuck in any small corner pieces to keep everything secure and tidy. You'll now have a solid triangular shape with an opening at the bottom, ready for the next transformation. This next step is quite magical. Gently open the bottom of your triangular shape. As you open it, flatten the paper down, pressing firmly to create a perfect square or diamond. Make sure all your creases are super sharp and the points of your diamond are well defined. This transformation is absolutely essential as it provides the foundational stability for your boat to float gracefully on water. We're almost there. Take the bottom corners of your diamond and fold them upwards, aligning them with the top point on both sides. Now, open the bottom of this new triangle once more, flattening it into a smaller diamond shape. Finally, gently pull the two top flaps outwards from the center. As you do, your paper boat will magically take its final form, ready for its maiden voyage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.